Hello, and welcome to our video about how to do a hip-healthy swaddle. This swaddle is for infants 0 to 8 weeks old or until they show signs of rolling. Hi, I'm Sheryl. I'm the owner of Family Tree Doula Services, a postpartum doula agency in Portland, Oregon. I'm also a postpartum doula and a newborn care specialist. Lay the blanket out flat, just at the height of your baby's shoulders. Pull the blanket over to the opposite hip and tuck under. Now, taking the other corner, pull to the opposite hip and roll and tuck under smoothly, leaving a V right under the baby's chin. Take the rest of the fabric, pull up nice and high, and give them plenty of room to lay their legs out flat or pull them up into frog legs. Form a cuff at the right height for your baby. Roll and tuck the fabric underneath. Taking the remainder of the fabric, get it all the way underneath your baby, nice and flat. We don't like bumps under our backs. Get it out the other side and tuck under the cuff. This makes it nice and safe for the baby. Flare the bottom out so they can move their legs around, and there you have it, a nice square swaddle. To learn how to do the swaddle and other newborn care techniques in the comfort of your own home or virtually, contact us for a free consultation at familytreedoula.com. We provide daytime, overnight, and live-in postpartum and newborn care. To purchase the blanket shown in this video, go to swaddlesquares.com. They are 100% cotton flannel. They are handmade. They're made in the United States, and they're made small batch. And they're also made with a lot of love. They come in both sizes small and large. Thank you for watching this video.